Today, I'm going to show you guys what I think is the perfect minimalist Sony Fx3 rig. This setup is lightweight, delivers amazing image quality, and is overall the perfect run and gun type of setup. So at the heart of this rig is obviously the Sony Fx3. This camera is amazing for video work, delivers great low light performance, and overall the build quality is just functional and very ergonomical. Now the lens that we have attached to the Sony Fx3 rig is the Sigma 28-45. This Sigma lens delivers great image quality as well as being great for low light. It does have that bright aperture of f1.8. The focal range of 28-45 is not terrible. The Sony Fx3 does provide clear image zoom, so that 45 technically can become around a 60-ish millimeter focal length, giving you that extra reach without losing image quality. I've been shooting with this lens for the past month, taking it on trips, using it for client projects, and honestly it has been great so far. My only complaint is it is a little bit heavy. Now let's go ahead and jump into audio. Now for me, audio is very important. I feel like audio just adds that extra layer of engagement for your audience. So obviously when you buy the Sony Fx3, it does come with the XLR top handle. So I have that attached, as well as this mic here, which is the Sennheiser MKE 600. A perfect microphone for filmmaking, for YouTube talking heads, pretty much for anything. This is my main source of audio here. And I can't complain. I've been using this microphone for a few months and it has been great for everything that I do personally. Interviews, capturing exhaust audio, capturing ambient noise. Now to add a little bit more stability to the top handle, I have a small rig extension arm or handle. And basically this provides extra support to the XLR handle, making it feel more sturdy and more stable. Now to power this whole setup, I have the Small Rig VB99 SE battery that is attached to a DJI battery mount that attaches to the XLR top handle extension from Small Rig. And basically you can just slide it into the hot shoe and it mounts perfectly. This battery, it can last me a whole day of shooting. I've taken it to SEMA this past month and honestly it would last me the whole day. I didn't really have to charge it at all. It would probably die to like 40% from full charge. Small Rig just provides a lot of good accessories, you know, for your camera rig, and honestly it's just been really useful to me. Shout out to Small Rig. But yeah, that's pretty much gonna wrap up this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed my minimalist Sony Fx3 rig. If you guys want links to all the products, it will be in the description down below. Feel free to check it out and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.